Ever eat breakfast and feel hungry an hour later? That's because most breakfasts are loaded with processed carbs and lack enough protein and healthy fats. But what if I told you there's a high-protein breakfast that keeps you full, boosts energy, and supports brain health? Say hello to the ultimate breakfast power duo, smoked salmon and avocado. This high-protein, omega-3 rich, fiber-packed combo fuels your body without the sugar crash. In this video, we'll break down why this is one of the best high-protein breakfasts, its powerful health benefits, and how to prepare it in different ways. Smoked salmon and avocado aren't just a delicious combo, they're a nutritional powerhouse. These two ingredients together make for one of the best high-protein breakfasts you can have. High-protein start to your day. Smoked salmon is loaded with lean protein, essential for muscle repair, energy, and keeping you full longer. Unlike carb-heavy breakfasts that cause energy crash, this combo fuels you steadily. Rich in healthy fats, avocados are packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which help regulate cholesterol levels and support brain function. This means sustained energy without the sluggish feeling from refined carbs. Keeps you full for hours. The combination of protein from salmon and fiber-rich fats from avocado slows digestion, keeping you satisfied and preventing blood sugar spikes. Packed with omega-3 south for brain and heart health, smoked salmon is one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which support brain function, improve focus, and reduce inflammation. Boosts metabolism and supports weight loss. A high-protein, low-carb breakfast like this helps your body burn fat more efficiently. It also reduces cravings, making it easier to avoid snacking throughout the day. Loaded with essential vitamins and minerals, this combo is rich in B vitamins, potassium, and antioxidants, which are key for energy production and immune function. Avocado has more potassium than a banana. Great for any diet. Whether you're on a keto, paleo, Mediterranean, or low-carb diet, this meal fits right in. It's naturally low in carbs and full of nutrients. Perfect for meal prep, this breakfast is quick to make, easy to customize, and great for meal prep. No need to cook, just assemble and enjoy. Versatile and delicious. Whether you have it on toast, in an omelet, as a wrap, or in a salad, this combo never gets boring. Let's break down what makes smoked salmon and avocado a superfood duo. Both are packed with essential nutrients that fuel your body, boost your metabolism, and keep you feeling full for hours. Smoked salmon, a protein powerhouse. One serving of smoked salmon provides 15 to 20 grams of high-quality protein, which helps build muscle, keeps hunger at bay, and supports weight loss. Omega-3 fatty acids for brain and heart health. Smoked salmon is one of the best sources of omega-3 south, which reduce inflammation, improve brain function, and protect heart health. Vitamin B12 for energy. Smoked salmon is packed with vitamin B12, an essential nutrient that boosts energy, improves focus, and supports red blood cell production. Avocado, a fiber-rich superfood. One avocado contains 10 grams of fiber, which helps digestion, keeps blood sugar stable, and promotes satiety. More potassium than a banana. Avocados are one of the best sources of potassium, an important mineral for muscle function, hydration, and blood pressure regulation. Healthy monounsaturated fats. Avocados contain heart-healthy fats that help lower bad cholesterol LDL and increase good cholesterol HDL. Antioxidants for anti-inflammatory benefits. Avocados are rich in antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect your skin, eyes, and immune system. Low in carbs, high in nutrients. Unlike traditional breakfasts that spike blood sugar, this meal keeps your insulin levels stable, preventing energy crash. The perfect macronutrient balance. Smoked salmon and avocado provide the ideal balance of protein, healthy fats, and fiber, making them a top choice for weight loss and overall health. The beauty of smoked salmon and avocado. It's incredibly versatile and easy to prepare. Whether you like it on toast, in an omelet, or as a keto-friendly wrap, there's a delicious way to enjoy this combo. Classic avocado and smoked salmon toast. Smash ripe avocado on whole grain, sourdough, or rye toast. Top with smoked salmon, drizzle lemon juice, and finish with capers. A nutritious, fiber-rich breakfast. High-protein omelet with smoked salmon and avocado, whisk eggs, black pepper, and a splash of milk. Cook until fluffy, then fold in smoked salmon and sliced avocado. Extra protein for muscle recovery. Keto-friendly smoked salmon and avocado wrap. For a low-carb option, swap the bread for a lettuce wrap or nori seaweed. Roll up smoked salmon, avocado, and cream cheese. Smoked salmon and avocado breakfast bowl. Layer greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, smoked salmon, avocado, and a poached egg for a nutrient-packed meal. Smoked salmon and avocado with cottage cheese. Add a scoop of protein-rich cottage cheese for extra creaminess and satiety. A great alternative to cream cheese. Smoked salmon and avocado on crisp bread. If you want something light but filling, spread mashed avocado on low-carb crisp bread. Add salmon and top with dill. Smoked salmon and avocado scramble. Scramble eggs with a touch of butter. Then stir in smoked salmon and diced avocado at the end for a creamy, protein-rich breakfast. Salmon and avocado breakfast sushi rolls. Use cucumber slices or nori sheets as a base. Roll with smoked salmon and avocado, and enjoy a sushi-style breakfast. Smoked salmon and avocado chia pudding. Mix chia seeds, almond milk, and protein powder overnight, then top with diced smoked salmon and avocado for a unique, low-carb breakfast. Why stop at just salmon and avocado? To maximize flavor and nutrition, pair this power duo with other superfoods. Let's explore the best add-ons to take your breakfast to the next level. Whole grain options for extra fiber. For those who aren't low-carb, using rye bread, whole wheat toast, or sourdough adds fiber and helps with digestion. Eggs for extra protein. Scrambled, poached, or soft-boiled eggs add high-quality protein and healthy fats, making your meal even more satisfying. Leafy greens for a vitamin boost. Spinach, arugula, or kale are packed with iron, vitamin C, and fiber, making your breakfast even healthier. Greek yogurt or cottage cheese for creaminess. Replace mayo or cream cheese with Greek yogurt or cottage cheese to increase protein without extra and healthy fats. Healthy nuts and seeds for crunch. Add pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, or crushed almonds for extra omega-3 fiber, and protein. Great for a crunchy texture. Fermented foods for gut health. A side of sauerkraut, kimchi, or pickles adds probiotics, which support digestion and gut health. Fresh herbs and seasonings for extra flavor. Dill, chives, red pepper flakes, and black pepper enhance the taste while offering added antioxidants. Citrus for a refreshing twist. A squeeze of lemon or lime brightens up flavors while providing an extra dose of vitamin C. Avocado and salmon with a side of berries. Pair with blueberries or raspberries for a low-carb, antioxidant-rich breakfast that supports brain health and immunity. Smoked salmon and avocado toast with lemon and capers. A classic, protein-packed breakfast. Mash avocado on whole grain toast. Top with smoked salmon, a squeeze of lemon, and a sprinkle of capers for an extra flavor boost. Keto-friendly smoked salmon and avocado roll-ups. Skip the toast and wrap smoked salmon slices around avocado wedges. Perfect for low-carb diets while keeping the protein and healthy fats high. Protein-packed omelet with salmon and avocado. Beat eggs and cook them into a fluffy omelet. Then fold in smoked salmon, avocado, and a touch of feta cheese. This keeps you full for hours. Salmon and avocado breakfast salad with poached egg. Load up a plate with fresh greens, cherry tomatoes, avocado, and smoked salmon. Then top it with a runny poached egg for extra protein. Smoked salmon and avocado wrap with Greek yogurt dressing. Swap mayo for Greek yogurt, mix it with herbs, and spread it on a whole wheat tortilla before adding smoked salmon and avocado. Roll it up for a grab-and-go meal. Low-carb smoked salmon and avocado stuffed eggs. Hard-boil eggs, slice them in half, and replace the yolk mixture with a creamy blend of avocado and smoked salmon. Perfect for meal prep. Smoked salmon and avocado chia pudding. Need a sweet and savory twist? Mix chia seeds with almond milk overnight, then top it with smoked salmon, avocado, and fresh herbs for a unique, protein-packed breakfast. Smoked salmon and avocado bowl with quinoa. Add a high-protein grain like quinoa. Mix it with diced avocado, smoked salmon, and a lemony dressing for an energizing, balanced meal. Smoked salmon and avocado sushi rolls without rice. Roll smoked salmon and avocado slices in nori seaweed sheets. Then slice into sushi-like bites for a fun, low-carb breakfast. Smoked salmon and avocado pancakes. Blend almond flour, eggs, and cottage cheese into pancakes. Then top with smoked salmon and avocado for a high-protein, low-carb treat. Smoked salmon and avocado isn't just delicious, it's a high-protein, nutrient-dense breakfast that keeps you full and energized. Whether you have it on toast, in an omelet, or as a low-carb wrap, this combo is a game-changer. Try one of these recipes and start your morning the right way.